Welcome to the Payment Alliance International S&G Audit Lock Installation Instructional video. For the purposes of the video, we have already installed the back plate on the vault. Here are the lock components and tools that will be used for the installation process. Now we'll install the lock body on the vault. The cover plate has already been removed for the video. To install the body, first take the two leads and guide them through the center hole in the vault. It's recommended to run a file through the hole to remove any sharp edges that might damage the leads prior to installation. Ensure that the vault is in a closed position to allow proper alignment of the lock bolt. Next, install one body mount bolt loosely just to hold the body in place, but still allow the leads to move. Now it's time we install the audit plate. Please take note of the 6-pin port on the audit button, which will require the lead attachment. Guide the lead through the back of the plate and install the lead onto the port. Now we will install the face adapter. Be sure to line up the dowel at the bottom of the adapter near the audit button. Run the lead through the center hole and reduce slack of the leads to ensure ample clearance for attachment to the face. Finally, install the two mount screws, but leave them a little loose. To finish the mounting of the lock body, ensure the leads are fed below the lock body and not getting pinched when the other bolts are tightened. Tighten each bolt once the leads are adjusted to the preferred position. Now tighten the two mount screws before installing the face. The lead will install on the 4-pin port located on the back of the face. Once the lead is installed, simply align the face to the 3 tabs on the adapter, then firmly press on the front of the face to attach to the vault door. This is a good opportunity to test your work. Type in the combination and the pound sign to verify the lock's operation is successful. The default opening combination is 10 for the 2-digit user code, then 10, 10, 10, and pound for the combination. The bolt should automatically retract, allowing you to turn the vault handle. To prevent vault door jams, be sure to zip tie the security loop and secure it within the vault. Do not cut this wire as it will affect the closing of the lock. Finally, unless the secondary lock wires are going to be used, they can be trimmed as necessary. Be sure to leave at least 1 inch of wire in case they are needed in the future. To finish the lock installation process, be sure to test the vault door opening procedure several times prior to locking the vault. This completes the lock installation instructional video. Please contact Payment Alliance Technical Support at 877-271-2627 if you have any questions.